So we have the 2005 Prius here, and we put a backup camera, and we put a radar detector magnetic windshield sticker mount there, and we also added a toguard backup camera. And the camera is up there, but let's close it. There's the camera there. Let's go ahead and turn on the car. So the camera's coming on. And if you put it reverse, that's the picture in the rear. And when you go forward, it's still stuck on the rear view picture. So I think we swipe down to change sources. Let's go back. And let's go to left. That's not it. So swipe down. Nope. Left. Okay, left is a different source. Now it's recording the front, rear, both front and rear. And now it's just recording the front. And you can see that the radar detector is working now. So to disconnect it, you would just go here, hit the button like a regular telephone cord, and then to get it out, you lift up and twist a little bit, then it'll come out. This lip here has to go in first, not like this, but it tilts up and then down. And then finally, if this thing falls out, you can put some glue here, silicone, and maybe take this whole thing out. Just remember this setting and then super glue everything so it's tight, because it's probably going to sit in the heat for a few months and might not stay stable. And here we go again. And that's that. And lift up. And there's a 32 gig micro SD card in there from SanDisk. And you want to put in the computer, you can take it out, put it into the SanDisk adapter, and stick in the computer, and you can erase the recording. This also has something called like AI, where it just voice activate it, but I shut that down. You can turn on voice activation. And what else? That's what it. Thanks for watching.